here we have the King's Awning. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Builtprado. Today we've got Emma's little Suzuki Vitara here. Now this is a 1997 petrol 4-speed automatic. Now this is the 2-litre, and we're just going to do a little rundown on it. Right now you're on top of a bin. I don't have a tripod or any of my camera gear, and there's the world's loudest road right there. So we'll see how this video goes, and we'll just do a quick skim over the car. Alrighty, so up here we have the King's Awning. Now this is just a 2 metre by 2 metre, so just your traditional sort of square size. It does the job just fine. On a smaller car you want a smaller awning anyways. And then up here we've actually got a bonnet that's been painted black, so kind of like the carbon fibre spec. It looks really cool, really suits the car, and if there was paint fade there before, it really hides it, so that looks really good. And then I'm not sure you can see the green here, but it's kind of like an emerald green. It looks really nice actually, really like it, with the two-tone silver, kind of like the Prados, similar sort of concept. And then now the tyres here that we got on this old girl, 215/65 rim 16 Steelies, which is actually the same as the Prado. So it came with Steelies from factory, which is really nice. So this does also have full drive, so we'll have a look at that as well. Alloy bull bar, same as mine, just not wrap coated, pretty much. Then we've got light force spotties on here, which are about 7-inch halogen, so it's the old style, but light force is a good Australian brand. And then up here we've got the little aerial here, probably an eBay brand, has no name on it, but does the job just fine. Alright guys, so we're at the back of the rig here now. I know this is a V6 as well, and we've got a Vitara badge down this corner here. Now it has got the custom little paint job here, the little sunset moon on the back of the tyre, very nice. And the Suzuki sticker up here as well. Now this is like my car in the sense it's got a door that opens up like this. And then obviously you can sit in here or do whatever you want. It's actually like quite a big space, it's really comfy. And then you've got your boot space back here. Now obviously, you know, it's not the most boot space in the world, but it does the job just fine. And all the windows in the car are actually really big. So there's heaps of visibility. I was surprised, I drove it just before, heaps of visibility. And obviously heaps of easy mods to do a bar table there or something really nice. But super easy to sit here and really easy to grab stuff out of the back. So really nice car actually, really good size. Alrighty, so you got your tool ball down there so you can actually tow, and you've also got your little squirt for the wipers at the back there, and the gas strut's actually at the top, which is interesting. My Prado doesn't even have that. We just have a locking thing down there, but I think it's sort of good up there because it's out of the way, so pretty good design there. And then in the interior here, you've got 3 seats in the rear, and the roof's actually quite high. I can sit in here and not hit my head, so this car's kind of small, but it's quite high, so it works really well. And then this is the passenger. Now you got 2 glove boxes here, little door pocket in your windows, and I thought it was interesting, you got rear window control here and window control there, but the doors also have window control there, so very interesting from Suzuki there. And then you just got your automatic gear lever there, you got your full drive options there, and you got a whole panel there on how to use it, and then there's your controls there. Right up here you just got your standard sort of roof racks, just 2 slide style, so you can get either a basket up there or, as what's in this car, the awning, which does work really well for this car. And the kilometres, 215,000 kilometres, which is not too bad considering 1997. Mine's done 100,000 more than that, and it's only 1 year older, so yeah, not too bad for the little Suzuki. Alright, now also you've got IFS at the front, which obviously means CVs, but obviously if you're buying this weapon, you're not going to be, you know, doing the hardest tracks in Australia. It's more of a, you know, just a daily driver and can do tough stuff, because it has got the diff in the rear, which is nice. Now, I think that covers most of this car, guys. If you have a Suzuki, let us know down below, let us know anything I've missed. But that's the car pretty much. And yeah, hopefully here's more stuff to come on this thing. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time in Builtprado.